Then on the next page, part C is prepare the statement of financial position at 31 December 2024. For this, we go back to the beginning of the question. Before preparing the statement of financial position, we should identify the assets, the liabilities, and equity so that their placement becomes easier. Okay. 8% debentures are current liability, and there is accrued interest of $4,000 on them, which is also a liability. Okay. Bank overdraft is also a current liability, right? Furniture and equipment is a non-current asset, which is actually $520,000. Well, after subtracting the 20% depreciation, its carrying value becomes $416,000. And we will show this amount in the statement. Inventory is a current asset, but this amount is overstated by 4,500. Therefore, we subtract this and show inventory at $52,800. Property is also a non-current asset, but the directors have decided to show it at $680,000. Okay. Trade and other payables are current liabilities, and the accrued expense of debenture interest essentially falls under the category of others payables. So we will add it to that and write it accordingly. Okay. Trade and other receivables are the current assets, and the prepaid advertising expenses essentially falls under the category of other receivables. So we will add it to that and write it accordingly. The taxation amount mentioned in the error number 5 is also a current liability. Additional information number 1 is essentially a part of the equity. After the bonus issue, the share capital became $900,000, and in any case, this is the amount of share capital given in the question as of December 31. Additional information number 2 has no concern with the statement of financial position for now, so we will ignore it. Share premium and revaluation reserves are completely exhausted, and whereas the retained earnings are also a part of equity. Okay, so let's quickly and correctly place all of these figures and amounts in the statement of financial position. I hope you have understood. The distribution of marks is given is somewhere like this in the mark scheme.